Welcome back to day number 31. I put day 31 and 32 together here because I pretty much was working on at the same time. But I'm working on finishing some of the front porch here. That way I can work off of this whenever I work on my roof. Make it a lot easier. So I'm using some 2x10s here to set across my joist. That way I can actually have a floor above this. And I'm actually going to be putting down some Advantech floor, subfloor. That way I can actually seal this off and it won't get rain down below. So I'll show that when I get to that point. But so this upper deck here will actually be sealed off. It won't be a regular deck with your lines and holes where water can seep through. So it'll be a little bit different. So the underside will be covered. But I got all this put up, get these joists put in. And again, so I can work off the top of this whenever I do my roof, make it a lot easier when I start putting those 20-foot 2x10s up there. And for day 31 here, I'm just finishing putting the rest of my joist in. And after I get this done, I'm going to start putting on the rest of the sheathing on the front side here. So I put some temporary OSB down up there to walk on so I get my other subfloor in. And I was able to finish this far side over here as well. So I can finally get this sheath, get it ready to start working on my roof. And I was using the extent of my extension ladder here, so was barely able to stretch out and get those up there. But we got them. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification.